So I made 2 pairs, and one of these pairs are gonna be for sale. Obviously these ones, because these are the ones that I'm not wearing. Hi guys, welcome to another magic truffle tutorial where I will show you how to make these cute magic mushroom earrings. Some people are gonna be fooled by how real they look, and they're really easy to make. So let me just teach you, okay, a quick tutorial on how to make these magic mushroom earrings. We have our aluminum foil. This is about 3 inches wide. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this into a stick. Fold it in half. Polymer clay. We're gonna get this flat. Now it's time to add the skirt. We are now just adding some texture and details to the stem. This is a tool that I made. I know it's a little bit dirty, but it's basically for sewing needles with just polymer clay that I baked in the oven. It makes a really nice tool. It makes things a lot faster. I'm just coloring the inside of the skirt brown before I bake them in the oven at 270 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 minutes. I have some sterling silver 24 gauge wire here. I'm going to create a eye pin from this wire. Alright, now we're ready to make the cap. I have my ball tool here. I just created a little tiny ball. I'm gonna go ahead and start sculpting the cap. Right now it's time to paint the inside. I'm using the Golden brand for painting the inside of the gills, but you can use any acrylic paint that you have. So we're gonna paint outwards to kind of mimic that gill look. Now we're going to put the caps to the side and start painting our stem. After the stem is painted and dried all the way, we're going to go ahead and attach the cap and also attach the eye pins. So we're going to create like a dark gray color, and we're going to water it down a little bit and make sure it seeps into the creases. Now we're back to the caps. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a few more touches. And now we're ready to paint them. I'm using liquid Sculpey to attach the cap. to the stem. So just put it right in the center. I have the eye pin and I'm gonna go ahead and push in. So I ended up redoing this one for the cap because the other cap was a little too big, so I kind of made it a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna go ahead and start painting these. Alright, the mushrooms are ready to go inside the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in this little stand that I made. It's just a bunch of aluminum foil. Just stand it up just so the caps don't get messed up. After they are baked and cooled, it's time to attach the ear hooks. We are finally complete with our realistic mushroom earrings. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys later. Bye!